So that's how that started. And then I got a bit deeper. So I was selling some crisps, selling some drinks, and, you know, selling all that good stuff. But then I thought, right, everyone's selling Walkers, like cheese and onion, red salted, salt and vinegar. I was like, nah, I need to get the meat flavours. No one had meat flavours. So even then, I knew I had to be different. I was selling out so quickly. I bought double the next day. And the next day. So, but this was all right. My mum and dad didn't really clock. Son, why are you taking 2 extra bags and your school bag? They didn't clock. They didn't clock. And, I had, you know, £15 worth of stock. I've doubled it every day. I doubled it every single day. And then I was doing this for 6 months. 6 months solid. And my system was this. We had these new ping pong tables just installed. I somehow got very passionate about table tennis at the time. Played for 2 years. But I started there, but I left the bag underneath the table. And each individual point, I was doing deals. So I was doing deals. So it was literally, right, the people would show me, right, I've got 5 frutellas, 2 packs of crisps and a drink. Right, £3.50, done. In the bag, the money, you get your stuff, you go. I was like, whatever you get, you can eat around, but if not, you go now. So I don't draw the teachers. That was my system. And I never got clocked. Anyway, this one day, went to Morrison's with my mum. And I'm going around the crisp bar, you know. Let's face it, I was a fat kid. But anyway, I went down the crisp aisle and they had McCoy's meat flavour. But it was an 8-pack for £1. To me, that was £4, £3 profit, yeah? Per bag. So 50p, I'll say everything 50p. When my toes in my shoes curled up, like I was like, oh my God, I can't get this because I don't drive. I have to put 5, 6 bags on the conveyor belt. And I did that. And my mum goes, son, listen, I know you're a big boy. I know you like food. But what are you doing? I said, Mum, I'll eat them. She goes, again, you won't. I said, fine then, I'll send them in school. And she goes, no, you won't. I said, yeah, I will, Mum. I've been doing it the past 6 months. And then my mum goes, you wait till your dad finds out. Anyway, got home. See, this is the thing. I thought my dad would butt whoop me. I said, Dad, I need to tell you something. He goes, what have you done? Like, straight away. I said, I've been selling in school. He goes, what do you mean? I go, you know, I've been selling sweets, crisps, drinks. He goes, you been caught yet? I was like, nah, Dad. I've been doing it 6 months. I've got a system. And my dad at the time worked on a market stall selling mobile phones. My dad was getting stock for me the next day. Kit Kat Chunkies, Twixes, Twirls, canned drinks. And I was getting cheaper than the shops. So I was making more money. My dad stopped giving me the £5 though every single week. But I was making racks. So I made £1,000 in the end. Yeah, and I opened up my bank account. They were like, why has this 16-year-old got £1,000? I was like, I'm an entrepreneur. I didn't know what to fucking say. I didn't know what to say.